Refresh your furniture and living room with Recliner Slipcover by MammaMiaCovers. Universal solution for your comfort at home. Find a tag and begin installation by covering the back seat first. Pull slipcover down and cover both armrests. Cover reclining part next and tie up the elastic laces underneath it. Tuck the excess fabric into the grooves. Use anti-slip cardboards to secure the cover in place and preserve the final look. Enjoy your brand new looking recliner.